Hi, this is Prayas from No Nonsense Airbnb, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off 20% discount from Airbnb. Airbnb by default applies a 20% discount when you're creating your listing for the first time. And this discount is applicable for the first 3 reservations. And there is no way to remove that discount after that point. Looks like Airbnb does not want anyone to remove that discount. Then I'm going to show you how you can turn that off. Okay, so for that you need to go onto your computer, go into the listing where you want to turn off the discount. Keep in mind you need to publish your listing to be able to see the screen I'm looking at. Now let me just display the problem to you first. Now when I go to my calendar, this is the calendar for my property, and there is no way I can remove that discount. Even if you choose the dates, it doesn't show anything. There is, you go into the discount settings, there is usually, it should display something here to turn off. This is where it used to display earlier on, but there is no option here. You go into price settings, and you would think that it would be somewhere in the discount section, but there is nothing under the discount section as well. It's weekly discount, monthly, early bird, last minute, but there is no way to remove the turning off that discount. But let me show you how you can do that. To be able to do this, you need to click on your listing, okay? And instead of going in your calendar, I'll let this load. Now, click on the calendar first. Okay. Now, usually the way we go is we click on the listing here and then we go into the calendar. But you don't click on that, okay? Just stay on this page. And in this view, when you are in this view and you scroll to the right to the dates where the discount is being displayed, it doesn't show anything here, okay? But when you choose the dates, when you hover over these dates, there it shows you an option to remove this discount, okay? This is the only place where you can turn off the 20% discount which Airbnb puts by default. So let's say I have this discount applicable to lots of dates in my calendar, and I don't really want that. Looks like, okay, so you choose the dates, and on the right hand side, when you scroll right, it shows you remove offer. Bear in mind, it doesn't give you this remove offer option when you go into the main calendar page. But when you're here, you can just click on this remove and save. Yeah, it's automatically saved. And there you go. This is how you can remove the discount, the default discount. I don't know whether it is something Airbnb has missed or it is an intended functionality, but this is how you can turn off the 20% discount. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and drop in the comments below if you want me to make a video on something specific which is hassling you a lot for some time. Until next time, all the best.